to World AIP. I'm Stacy, and today I'm making beef kidney, and I'm gonna make it taste good. I always hated beef kidney. Oh, I hated it. I tried it. I mean, I could eat liver, but I could never eat this stuff. So I played around with it. I came up with something yummy. I'm gonna show you how you can make beef kidney taste friggin' really good. I'm gonna make it two ways. I'm gonna make beef kidney Milanese or Frache style, and I'm also gonna make beef kidney like a Parmesan, like scallopini Parmesan. I work in an upscale Italian restaurant, can you tell? Kidney star is that it has loads of choline. What is choline most beneficial for? It helps with methylation, detoxification. It's good for your brain, it's good for your liver, on and on and on and on and on and on. Point is, it's really good stuff. And on AIP, well, I mean, you're gonna get some in some salmon, you're gonna get some in some cauliflower, and you'll find it in your liver, but kidney is a superstar. Kidney is a choline superstar. And it doesn't have to be gross if you cook it with a little TLC. And it's cheap. $2.99 a pound at Whole Foods. That's just like, that's cheap. Anyway, I'm liking the kidney. I'm liking it. First thing we gotta do with this to get the nasty kidney flavor out is we gotta soak it in acidic liquid. It's like 2 in the afternoon right now. I'm not gonna be making this till like 10, 11 o'clock at night, so 9 hours. Let's get this thing out of the package and start slicing it up. I'm gonna cut this thing right down the middle like this. I'm gonna do another slice here. So cut it in big slices. And then you know what? I'm gonna use kitchen scissors. I'm gonna get in here and cut all this out with the scissors. My scissor skills are way better than my knife skills. So we want rather, you know, big pieces that are all together kinda to make like a scallopini type of deal. I'm going to add a half a cup of vinegar. So this is going in the fridge for like 9 hours. And then after work, I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. I got done early tonight for Friday. It's 10:22 p.m. This has been in there 8 hours and 20 minutes. Now I'm going to rinse this. Why did I do that? Now I'm gonna rinse this well and I'm going to pat it dry. Beef kidney's kind of hard to cut up into a piece the size of a nice big piece of liver or something, but I did the best that I could. I'm gonna pound it thin. Not too thin though, because if you go too thin, again, guess what? It falls apart and then you have to make pate or something. Ask me how I know. Alright, so we got it all pounded thin. Now here's a tip, and I learned this the hard way. Because I was, you know, you're probably tempted to be like, okay, cool, it's all pounded thin, right? And then grab it all and put it in a bowl. No, because then it all gets stuck together and then it breaks apart. Keep it here. We're going to pick it up piece by piece, dredge it in the flour, put it in the pan. And I'm going to season these up. I'm going to throw on some Himalayan pink salt. And I'm going to use this very simple Primal Palette blend. You can make this at home. What is in here? Garlic, salt, onion, oregano, thyme, sage. So just some Italian seasonings. I'm just gonna do this one side and then I'm gonna season the flour. I wanna handle this as little as possible. So I usually use my taro flour for stuff like this because it's yummy, but I know not everybody has the time or the inclination to make taro flour, and that's cool because there's an easy, accessible way to do what taro flour does. You mix coconut flour with arrowroot flour. More garlic and herb seasoning. More Himalayan pink salt. Blend it up. Now let's heat up some oil in the pan. It's just like a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half. And go like this. I just want to lightly flour that. And then, oops, put it in the oil. That first piece is already ready to flip. Oh. Woo, baby. Gotta set this aside. Just add more oil. This is like 2 tablespoons because it's getting sticky in here. Oh, look at that. So I'm just going to continue doing this in my little pan until it's all done. We're going to make this 2 ways. The first way is going to be kidney parmesan, Italian style. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this kidney cutlet on there. I very lightly cooked this because I knew that this one was going to be like baked. I'm going to stick this in the toaster oven with some AIP cheese and some of my tomato sauce, and I'm just going to bake that until that cheese melts. The way I'm going to have it crochet style is like so. I'm going to take this golden fried kidney, we'll put that on the plate. In the restaurant they top the frosche with arugula, but then you won't be able to see it, so I'm going to put this on top of the arugula, like so. And then I'm going to add capers and lemon juice. Frosche, baby. Or Milanese, they call it sometimes. Look at this. Tell you what, this frosche was a success. I'm gonna eat this while I'm waiting for that kidney parm to bake, because I can't wait. And the Parmesan came out good too. We're winning. Winning. There you have it. Beef kidney, 2 ways, Italian style, Milanese, and classic Italian Parmesan. Well, I can't believe I even made this taste good in the... I can't believe I was eating this earlier. Okay. You can make kidney taste good, but you must bread it and fry it. And it's actually really good that way. Like, I was like, nom, 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 nom. Man, oh man, I would eat crickets if they were floured and fried, and I bet they would taste good. This is perfectly good. I do not taste kidney. I know it's in there, but I don't taste it. Simple act of flouring it up and frying it in oil turns my most hated organ meat into something yummy. I like it. I'm enjoying it. I hope you like this video. If so, subscribe below. I put out new videos every Thursday. Also, check me out on Patreon. I post little clips of my AIP life, grocery trips, and meal prep. Most of my clips are free to the public. You don't even have to be a patron. So if you want more AIP lifestyle stuff, check that out. There's a link below. Anyway, I hope to see you soon, and until then, be healthy.